Okay. Uh, Now I want to show you how to give access your Google business profile to your marketer or your team member or your SEO manager. So you need to go first your Google business profile. Okay, now go to your Google business profile. Then now you need to click here this three dot. Okay, if you from mobile or your laptop desktop you see this three dot, click here and then you have some options and click on the business profile setting. Okay, people and access, click here and now click add. Okay, now when you add someone, you just add their email address and click to invite. They will get notified by their email, and when they are accepted, they can manage your whole business profile. Always one important thing, always select this manager access, not owner access. Okay, owner access is only for you as a business owner, and if you want to hire someone, you always select this manage. Okay, I think you can now easily access your business profile to your SEO manager or your marketer or your team member. If you have any question, please comment below. Thank you. Thank you so much.